These are the smooth rocks of Meteora, and as you can see at the top of them there's a monastery. They're from the 11th century. Some monks they went up there to get away from all of the bloodshed of the Byzantine power and live in peace in the caves. Look at this beautiful landscape with the sound of the birds and the moon and all these rocks with the monastery at the top. So blessed to be here. The monks in the 11th century, to get away from the Byzantine bloodshed of the time, decided to go up in this hills to be in peace and stayed in caves. There used to be 24 monasteries on the top of the smooth rocks, but there is only 6 of them has been left, and the rest of them somehow, with the weather or some other reason, earthquake perhaps, they've been damaged and no longer operating. Wow, the blessed land. This is absolutely beautiful.
And Varlam Monastery.
This is the Varlam Monastery.
I don't know if from there you can see Rossano.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Amazing. Lord, look at this beauty. The sun is about to go down. Today is October 23rd, Wednesday. 24th. Oh, it's October 24th, I'm sorry. I've been traveling, I lost track of time. I had no idea that Greece is so beautiful. I've been in so many islands, but I think this is the beauty.
That's what's only left in Greece, the beauties.
Ah, my Lord. Seems like the gods have been living here in these mountains. Oh, my Lord.
No English name.
No, English name.
It's Great Meteora.
Great.
This in front of us, it's called Varlam.
Varlam.
The little one down there, it's Rossano.
Rossano.
On the other side,
on the top,
it's Holy Trinity.
Holy Trinity.
And on this side here is Great Meteora.
And Meteora means suspended in the air. Suspended
Something
in the
big.
air. Okay.
No, here, somewhere here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it used to be right there.
So they used to, the monk used to hang in the, get into. Wow. Amazing, beautiful. Thank you, God, for bringing me to this beautiful part of earth. Thank you. Listen to the sound of the birds. The sun just went behind those mountains, so we have a rather early sunset here. Today is Wednesday, October 24th, so I made a mistake in all my prior. Woo! Yeah. It's 6:30 right now, and all the churches are ringing their bell simultaneously. The name of this town that we are looking at is
Kalambaka.
Kalambaka. Beautiful city.